Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Right now, we're in Alaska. Hopefully, we don't see a bear.
Today is Friday, December 4th, 2020.
Please stand for the pledges of the flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you.
Please have a seat. Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, we will have mostly sunny skies with a high of 58 and a low of 34.
And guess what? There are only 20 days and 16 hours until Santa comes.
Wow. This week we are celebrating Hebron High's homecoming. Today is Wear Mickey Ears Day.
Our featured teacher this week is 4th grade teacher, Miss Sequoia.
Thanks for coming. May we ask you a few questions?
Sure.
What made you want to be a teacher?
I've always loved working with kids and watching them grow.
Do you have some Christmas traditions?
We do. Every year, my family decorates the Christmas tree together, and then on Christmas Day, we go and we watch a movie together. This year, it may be a little different, though.
What's your favorite part about teaching?
My favorite part about teaching is, watching all the kids interact and learning how to be leaders and learning those life skills that they can use for a long time.
That's a good part. What is your favorite Christmas movie?
The Santa Claus movies. I love watching those.
I actually watched those last week.
Me too. I haven't watched them yet.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Today is the 11th day until Christmas break. Wow, this week is going by really fast.
Today in history, in 1881, the first edition of the Los Angeles Times is published.
Rescaped sea lion named Chompers. In the headlines, rescaped sea lion named Chompers returns to the ocean. Back in July, a 2-year-old sea lion named Chompers was rescued in California. She was tangled in a fishing line and had a hook in her neck, rocks in her stomach. Today we can happily report that she is back in the ocean.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Kayla, what does a snowman eat for breakfast?
I don't know.
Ice Krispies.
Today's fun fact is the nose can detect 1 trillion smells.
Wow.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Kayla.
And I'm Liliana.
And those are the Bears.
Until next time,
fly high, Falcons.